The journey of innovation is only complete when ideas come to life. It takes a thinker and an enabler to make change possible together. We are Mahabell. We offer a wide range of manufacturing solutions for lighting. With the precedence of LED lighting that impress with quality and efficiency, we manufacture the light of the future. Mahabell offers capability and capacity to manufacture a wide range of lighting solutions. Our parent company, Online Instruments Private Limited, architects and executes the customer-desired lighting solution with great reliability and diligence. This perfect match of design and appropriate application can render a consistent lighting for all spatial and functional profiles. A well-designed lighting system can make a huge difference, and we understand that. From your professional workspace to your personal living space, we light it all. A well-designed lighting system can enhance a facility's efficiency, data transfer, workflow optimization, and space utilization. To realize the responsibility of delivering a light that fulfills varied customer requirements, Mahabell has a completely back-integrated semi-automated manufacturing facility, emerging as the one-of-its-kind in India. Manufacturing a competitive range of lighting products, from conceptualization and design to complete product assembly. We offer one-stop shop for all lighting solutions. From a miniature component to a well-built lighting system, when it comes to delivering comprehensive lighting products and solutions, we make it all. We take care of everything that makes up a perfect light, from a small component integration to large-scale production. Several precision operations, such as component mounting, application of thermal paste and silicone glue, heavyweight assembly, inspection, and printing are entirely automated to ensure consistent product quality that is deeply embedded in every product and person. Comprehensive 100% testing and a well-designed assembly line is a commitment to quality and a promise of reliability.
Hello, I hope this gave an insight into our design and manufacturing capabilities. This will surely help us take us to the next level with product differentiation and the superior quality and cost. We are ready to tap into both the value-conscious Indian market and the quality-conscious export market.
Our in-house research and development unit reflects our belief in futuristic technology and our investment in test equipment that signifies our focus on early deduction of design issues. We continue to invest in expanding our horizons. Thus, we are confident of delivering a beautiful future ahead. A technology that resonates on a global level is designed to serve worldwide. With solutions meant to deliver satisfaction with an assurance of quality, we accept no limits. We endeavor to serve a worldwide client base, for technology transcends every boundary. With government's initiative fostering innovation and facilitating investment, it's the time to make in India. We would like to pioneer this initiative and extend our support by manufacturing high-quality, future-oriented lighting solutions. Every innovative and efficient technology offers a chance for a continuous improvement of our standard of life. Mahabell taps this opportunity in the domain of lighting solutions. For a technology that lights up a life. For a technology that brightens up a smile. For a technology that leads the way ahead. Mahabell Industries, illuminating the future.